Hi, I'm Mika Nichols, Director of Clinical Education at Össur. In this video, I'm going to show you how to heat and mold the UCAST wrist splint from start to finish. Go ahead and open the package and take a few minutes to read through the instructions and warnings. Then pull the splint and textile out of the packaging and we'll get going. Before we do anything else, you need to make a decision, dorsal or palmar side of the wrist. That call determines how you orient the textile. If the straps need to be re-rolled, take care of that now. It seems like a small thing, but it really does make the fitting process easier down the line. Lay the textile out flat. Take one more look at your setup, and when you're satisfied, you're ready to heat. Place the UCAST material into the heater and press the 2mm button. Watch for the amber light. When it turns off, the material's ready to mold. There's no need to hurry through this part. You got plenty of working time. Take the heated material and lay it onto the textile, keeping the same orientation you set up. Place the support over the hand and wrist, then fasten the straps just loosely enough to keep everything in position. We're not cinching them down yet. That comes after the mold sets. Now it's time to shape the splint. Work it directly into the patient's anatomy, contouring as you go. Hold the wrist in the appropriate clinical position and keep it there while the material firms up. Once it's fully hardened, go ahead and tighten the straps to around 50% tension. You're looking for a fit that's supportive without being restrictive. One thing worth mentioning, pull from the base of the strap rather than the tip. It gives you much better control over how evenly you're applying tension. And that's a wrap. The UCAST wrist splint is molded, fitted, and good to go. And if the fit needs some adjusting, don't hesitate to reheat, remold, and refit. Getting it right is what matters, and this material lets you do exactly that.